Get ready to dive into the world of luxury and reliability with our top 10 most reliable used Porsches. From sleek sports cars to versatile SUVs, these machines offer the perfect blend of performance and dependability. So, without further ado, let's begin. Number 1. 2022 Porsche 718 Cayman. Sleek, stylish, and boasting a performance that'll leave you breathless, this beauty is more than just a pretty face. With around 16 cubic feet of cargo space, it defies the odds of practicality for a sports car, making it a versatile choice for everyday use. But what about reliability? Well, according to consumer and expert reviews, the 2022 Cayman earns its stripes with a solid build quality and respectable dependability. So if you're in the market for a thrilling ride that doesn't compromise on reliability, the 718 Cayman might just be your perfect match. Number 2. 2013 Porsche Cayman. Next up, we have the 2013 Porsche Cayman, a powerhouse SUV that's as capable off-road as it is on the asphalt. Boasting a range of potent engines and a luxurious interior, the Cayman is the epitome of versatility. But what about its reliability? Well, with an average yearly maintenance cost of $1,231, according to RepairPal, and solid consumer ratings, the 2013 Cayman proves that it's more than just a pretty face. Number 3. 2018 Porsche Macan. If you're in the market for a compact luxury SUV that handles like a sports car, look no further than the 2018 Porsche Macan. With its refined interior, improved infotainment system, and exhilarating performance, the Macan delivers a driving experience that's second to none. But what about reliability? Despite its turbocharged performance, the 2018 Macan boasts respectable reliability ratings, making it a solid choice for those seeking both thrills and peace of mind on the road. Number 4. 2021 Porsche 718 Boxster. Now let's turn our attention to the 2021 Porsche 718 Boxster, a convertible sports car that's sure to turn heads wherever it goes. Despite initial skepticism from Porsche purists, the 718 Boxster has proven itself as a worthy successor to its predecessors. With excellent consumer ratings and a price range that won't break the bank, the 2021 Boxster is a compelling option for those seeking open-top thrills without compromising on reliability. Number 5. 2018 Porsche 718 Boxster. Continuing the legacy of its predecessors, the 2018 Porsche 718 Boxster combines performance with practicality in a sleek and stylish package. With its peppy engines, high-end amenities, and spacious seats, the 718 Boxster is more than just a weekend toy. It's a reliable companion for everyday adventures. So, if you're in the market for a convertible sports car that's as dependable as it is exhilarating, the 2018 Boxster ticks all the right boxes. Number 6. 2016 Porsche 911R. Prepare to be dazzled by the 2016 Porsche 911R. A special edition model that's sure to set your pulse racing. With its naturally aspirated engine and manual transmission, the 911R delivers a driving experience that's pure, unadulterated fun. And despite its rarity and high price tag, the 911R boasts solid reliability ratings, making it a worthy investment for collectors and enthusiasts alike. Number 7. 2019 Porsche 911 Carrera T Coupe. For purists who crave the thrill of the open road, the 2019 Porsche 911 Carrera T Coupe delivers in spades. With its lightweight construction, sharp steering, and blistering performance, the Carrera T is a driver's car through and through. And with solid reliability ratings to boot, it's a sports car that's as dependable as it is exhilarating. Number 8. 2019 Porsche 911 Turbo S. For those who demand nothing but the best, the 2019 Porsche 911 Turbo S is in a league of its own. With its monstrous power, advanced technology, and impeccable build quality, the Turbo S is the ultimate expression of Porsche's engineering prowess. And with stellar reliability ratings, it's a supercar that's as reliable as it is breathtaking. Number 9. 2018 Porsche 911 GT2 RS. If speed is your drug of choice, The 2018 Porsche 911 GT2 RS is sure to satisfy your cravings. With its mind-boggling performance and track-focused design, the GT2 RS is a force to be reckoned with on the road and the track. And despite its extreme nature, it boasts solid reliability ratings, making it a supercar that's as dependable as it is exhilarating. Number 10. 2015 Porsche 911. Last but certainly not least, we have the iconic 2015 Porsche 911, a legend in the world of sports cars. With its timeless design, exhilarating performance, and everyday usability, the 911 is the epitome of automotive excellence. And with solid reliability ratings, it's a sports car that's as reliable as it is thrilling to drive. And there you have it, folks. The top 10 most reliable Porsches to buy used. From the iconic 911 to the versatile Cayenne, these cars have earned their place in automotive history as trusted companions on the road. If you found this video informative, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more amazing content. Thanks for watching. Have you ever wondered which Maserati cars stand out as the most reliable over the years? From luxury sedans to powerful sports cars, Maserati has a rich history of crafting vehicles that blend Italian craftsmanship with performance. Today, we delve into the top 10 most reliable Maserati cars that have left an indelible mark on the automotive world. So, without further ado, let's begin. Number 1. Maserati Quattroporte. Kicking off our list is the Maserati Quattroporte, a symbol of Italian luxury and power. Since its inception in 1963, this sedan has epitomized elegance with its sleek design and potent performance. The latest iteration, introduced in 2013, boasts a 3.0-liter V6 engine, delivering a staggering 410 horsepower. Its opulent interior and advanced technology redefine the driving experience, making the Quattroporte a true masterpiece of automotive engineering. Number 2. Maserati Gran Turismo. Next up is the Gran Turismo, a two-door coupe that exudes both sophistication and adrenaline. Launched in 2007, this masterpiece houses a 4.7-liter V8 engine, producing an impressive 454 horsepower. Its seamless blend of luxury and performance ensures a thrilling ride every time, reaffirming Maserati's commitment to excellence. Number 3. Maserati Levante. Introducing the Levante, Maserati's venture into the realm of luxury SUVs. Since its debut in 2016, the Levante has captivated enthusiasts with its 3.0-liter V6 engine, generating 345 horsepower. With its Italian flair and formidable power, this SUV redefines versatility, offering a harmonious balance of performance and comfort for the modern adventurer. Number 4. Maserati Ghibli. Enter the Ghibli, a name synonymous with passion and performance. Born in 2013, this luxury sedan boasts a 3.0-liter V6 engine, packing a punch with 345 horsepower. Its striking design and exhilarating acceleration, from 0 to 60 mph in just 4.7 seconds, make it a force to be reckoned with on the road. Number 5. Maserati MC12. Prepare to be mesmerized by the MC12, a limited edition marvel that pushes the boundaries of automotive engineering. Crafted between 2004 and 2005, only 50 lucky individuals had the privilege of owning this masterpiece. Powered by a 6.0-liter V12 engine, churning out 620 horsepower, the MC12 embodies the essence of exclusivity and performance, cementing its status as a true collector's gem. Number 6. Maserati 3200 GT. Journey back to the late 90s with the 3200 GT, a timeless grand tourer that continues to captivate enthusiasts. Produced from 1998 to 2002, this coupe boasts a 3.2-liter V8 engine, delivering 370 horsepower. Its elegant design and formidable performance ensure an unforgettable driving experience, making it a cherished icon in Maserati's illustrious history. Number 7. Maserati Spider. Unleash your senses with the Spider, a convertible masterpiece that epitomizes open-air exhilaration. Produced from 2001 to 2007, This two-seater sports car houses a 4.2-liter V8 engine, producing 390 horsepower. With its breathtaking acceleration and luxurious interior, the Spider offers a symphony of performance and style that is bound to leave a lasting impression. Number 8. Maserati Cayman. Dive into the past with the Cayman, a 90s icon that continues to capture the hearts of enthusiasts worldwide. Produced from 1990 to 1996, this coupe boasts a 3.2-liter V8 engine, delivering 326 horsepower. Its timeless design and exhilarating performance make it a rare gem in Maserati's rich heritage, embodying the essence of Italian craftsmanship and passion. Number 9. Maserati Biturbo. Revive the spirit of the 80s with the Biturbo, a legendary sports car that continues to evoke nostalgia among aficionados. Produced from 1981 to 1994, this coupe offers a range of engines, including a potent 3.2-liter V6. Despite mixed reviews on reliability, the Biturbo's undeniable charm and performance ensure its place in Maserati's Hall of Fame. Number 10. Maserati 3500 GT. Last, but certainly not least, we have the 3500 GT, a classic masterpiece that embodies the essence of Maserati's golden era. Produced from 1957 to 1964, this coupe features a 3.5-liter inline-six engine delivering 220 horsepower. Renowned for its reliability and timeless design, the 3500 GT remains a symbol of Maserati's enduring legacy and commitment to excellence. These top 10 Maserati cars not only represent the pinnacle of automotive engineering, but also serve as a testament to the brand's unwavering dedication to performance, luxury, and innovation. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in our next video. Have you ever wondered which Audi models stand out for their reliability and quality? Today, we delve into the world of Audi cars to uncover the top 10 most reliable models that offer both performance and peace of mind. From sleek sedans to powerful SUVs, Audi has consistently delivered excellence in engineering. So, let's dive in and explore these remarkable vehicles that have earned their place as the most dependable choices in the Audi lineup. Number 1. 2016 Audi A3 8V. Kicking off our list is the 2016 Audi A3 8V, which received an impressive reliability score of 83/100 from J.D. Power. This third-generation hatchback introduced the Audi A3 e-tron PHEV, expanding its appeal. Despite fierce competition, the 2016 A3 holds its ground with a used market price around $19,990, making it a cost-effective choice for luxury enthusiasts. Number 2. 2016 Audi A6 4G. The 2016 Audi A6 4G underwent a significant facelift to stay competitive in its class. With enhancements in design, technology, and performance, the A6 maintained its popularity. It earned a reliability score of 83/100, offering a compelling option for those seeking refinement and sophistication in their sedan. Number 3. 2023 Audi A3 8Y. As Audi's fourth-generation A3, the 2023 model stands out with its striking design and improved reliability. With a J.D. Power score of 84/100, it surpasses its predecessors, setting new standards for longevity and performance. Owners can enjoy the confidence of owning a vehicle that combines style, efficiency, and durability. Number 4. 2018 Audi A4 B9. The 2018 Audi A4 B9 shines as a top performer in the compact premium car segment. Boasting a reliability score of 85/100, it exemplifies Audi's commitment to excellence. From its range of turbocharged engines to its refined interior, the A4 delivers a driving experience that exceeds expectations. Number 5. 2014 Audi A7. With its distinctive lift-back design and advanced features, the 2014 Audi A7 commands attention on the road. Its reliability score of 85/100 speaks to its durability and performance, making it a sought-after choice among luxury sedan enthusiasts. With cutting-edge technology and timeless style, the A7 remains a standout in its class. Number 6. 2015 Audi Q3. The 2015 Audi Q3 captured hearts with its compact SUV design and impressive safety ratings. Boasting a reliability score of 85/100, it outshines competitors in its class, offering peace of mind for drivers and passengers alike. With its combination of versatility and dependability, the Q3 continues to be a popular choice for urban adventurers. Number 7. 2016 Audi A7. Following a facelift in 2015, the 2016 Audi A7 emerged with enhanced features and improved reliability. With a strong JD Power score of 85/100, it maintains its reputation as a luxury sedan that delivers both style and substance. From its advanced infotainment system to its powerful engines, the A7 remains a standout choice for discerning drivers. Number 8. 2015 Audi A5. As the end of its first generation, the 2015 Audi A5 impresses with its reliability score of 87/100. Offering a blend of performance and elegance, it continues to captivate enthusiasts looking for a stylish coupe. With its accessible price point and refined engineering, the A5 remains a timeless icon in the Audi lineup. Number 9. 2013 Audi A4 B8. The 2013 Audi A4 B8 represents the pinnacle of quality and reliability in its model line. With an outstanding score of 87/100, it embodies Audi's dedication to craftsmanship and innovation. Whether cruising city streets or tackling winding roads, the A4 delivers a driving experience that exceeds expectations. Number 10. 2010 Audi A6 4F. Rounding out our list is the 2010 Audi A6 4F, hailed as the most reliable used Audi available. With an exceptional score of 89/100, it sets the standard for longevity and performance. Despite its age, the A6 remains a formidable contender in the luxury sedan market, offering unparalleled value and prestige. Audi continues to raise the bar for reliability and quality with its impressive lineup of vehicles. From sedans to SUVs, each model offers a unique blend of performance, comfort, and innovation. Whether you're seeking a sleek commuter car or a spacious family vehicle, Audi has something for everyone. If you found this video informative, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in our next video.